Okay, here we are at Kiwi Rail. This is us from the female toilets. This is us in the manhole just outside. This manhole is just out in the corridor there. That's the new one. This is all the existing pipe work. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna That's an inspection going into the drain. There's quite a lot of fat, calcium, probably soap that came off as we were going down the drain, as you can see. That was sitting in the drain as we pushed down. Okay, can we come here? It's just on a junction there. That'll be one of the toilet junctions. Holds a little bit of water there. No signs of any blockages. Okay. Hold on. Not sure what that is there on the left. It could be, looks like a little break there on the left. I'm not sure if that's actually a break or that's a little bit of a hole there. I'm just going to mark where that is. We'll come back to that. Yeah, just having another look at that. Coming from a distance. It's just there on the left. Okay, that's all the toilets. Alrighty. Just to confirm where we are, we're just in the dockway here. Alright, we're going to go back down to where we found that little it looks like us coming from a different angle there. Okay, so that just comes back. Okay, so it's going to identify where that is. But I wouldn't be thinking that would be a big issue right there. Alright, thank you.